you ever sat down to film a video and thought, I hope this is what people want to see? Or maybe you uploaded something you were really excited about and then not much happened. Well, today we're talking about what really matters when you're planning your content and how it can help you get more views, more clarity and more confidence in what you're creating. Hi lovely people, and welcome back to Learn with Nia. It's so easy to make the mistake of posting whatever's on your mind, thinking, oh, I'll just get something out there. Sometimes that works, but a lot of the time we feel disheartened when no one watches. Here's the thing, YouTube is a search engine. People go there with questions. So if your video answers one of those questions, people are more likely to find you there and your video is more likely to be found. So when you take a little time to do some research, whether that's on YouTube, TubeBuddy, Google, or even just looking at what your favourite creators are posting, you'll start to see patterns. You'll start asking, what are people searching for? What questions are they asking in the comments? Which of my own videos performed better? And why? That research helps you create with purpose instead of pressure. So I use a tool called TubeBuddy. You may have heard me mention it before. It helps me find keywords, see what's trending, and check what competition I'm up against. But honestly, you don't have to even start with TubeBuddy. You can start by just typing your topic into the YouTube search bar, and you can see what comes up in the suggested searches. You can read comments on videos in your niche, or even ask your own audience what they'd like to see next. This doesn't have to be complicated because it's all about curiosity and not perfection. So here's the balance. You want to create content that you enjoy making and that your audience is going to enjoy watching. Research helps you find that sweet spot where the two things meet. Because when someone clicks on your video and thinks, yes, this is exactly what I needed, that's where the magic happens. So if you've been stuck wondering what to post, or if you've ever, like me, felt disappointed with low views, this is your sign to pause, research, and plan with intention. Even just 10 minutes of research can give you the next 5 or 6 video ideas. And once you know what people are searching for, it's easier for you to show up with confidence because you know that people are going to be more likely to watch your video because it's content that they want to see. Let me know, what do you use for your video ideas? Or are you still figuring out your process? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially if this video resonated with you and you're over 40 and just starting YouTube. I am here to help you. And I'll see you in the next one.